Today we are learning about the official languages of Indian states. What is the official language of Andhra Pradesh? Telugu. Telugu is spoken by over 80 million people and is called the Italian of the East because of its musical sound. What is the official language of Arunachal Pradesh? English. Arunachal Pradesh means land of the rising sun and is the first place in India to see the sunrise each morning. What is the official language of Assam? Assamese. Assamese is one of the oldest Indo-Aryan languages and Assam is famous for its delicious tea gardens. What is the official language of Bihar? Hindi. Bihar is where Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment under a Bodhi tree at Bodh Gaya over 2500 years ago. What is the official language of Chhattisgarh? Hindi. Chhattisgarh means land of 36 forts and has the beautiful Chitrakot waterfall, called the Niagara Falls of India. What is the official language of Goa? Konkani. Konkani is a sweet melodious language and Goa is India's smallest state famous for its beautiful beaches and churches. What is the official language of Gujarat? Gujarati. Gujarati is a rich language with over 55 million speakers and the Statue of Unity in Gujarat is the world's tallest statue. What is the official language of Haryana? Hindi. Haryana is famous for the ancient Kurukshetra battlefield from the Mahabharata and produces a lot of India's food grains. What is the official language of Himachal Pradesh? Hindi. Himachal Pradesh means province of snow mountains and is famous for apple orchards and beautiful Himalayan scenery. What is the official language of Jharkhand? Hindi. Jharkhand means land of forests and has beautiful waterfalls including Handru Falls which drops from a height of 98 meters. What is the official language of Karnataka? Kannada. Kannada is over 2000 years old and Karnataka has the magnificent Mysore Palace which is lit by 100,000 light bulbs on special occasions. What is the official language of Kerala? Malayalam. Malayalam is the only language whose name is a palindrome, meaning it reads the same forwards and backwards. Kerala is called God's own country. What is the official language of Madhya Pradesh? Hindi. Madhya Pradesh means Central Province and is home to the stunning Khajuraho temples and the mighty tigers of Kanha National Park. What is the official language of Maharashtra? Marathi. Marathi has a rich 900-year literary tradition and Maharashtra is home to Mumbai, the city of dreams and India's financial capital. What is the official language of Manipur? Meitei, English. Meitei is also called Manipuri and Manipur is famous for the graceful Manipuri classical dance and the floating Loktak Lake. What is the official language of Meghalaya? English, Khasi, Garo. Meghalaya means abode of clouds and has the world-famous living root bridges made by the Khasi people by training tree roots over many years. What is the official language of Mizoram? Mizo, English. Mizo language belongs to the Tibeto-Burman language family and Mizoram has one of India's highest literacy rates above 91%. What is the official language of Nagaland? English. Nagaland is called the land of festivals and hosts the famous Hornbill Festival every December where 17 Naga tribes gather to celebrate. What is the official language of Orissa? Odia. Odia is one of the oldest languages of India with a 1000-year literary history and Orissa has the magnificent Konark Sun Temple. What is the official language of Punjab? Punjabi. Punjabi is a joyful, energetic language and Punjab is home to the magnificent Golden Temple in Amritsar, which serves free meals to over 100,000 people every day. What is the official language of Rajasthan? Hindi. Rajasthan means land of kings and is famous for magnificent forts and palaces. The colorful Hawa Mahal has 953 tiny windows. What is the official language of Sikkim? Nepali, Sikkimese, Lepcha. Nepali is the most widely spoken language in Sikkim and the state is home to Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest mountain. What is the official language of Tamil Nadu? Tamil. Tamil is one of the world's oldest living languages, over 2000 years old. Tamil Nadu has breathtaking temple towers called Gopurams. What is the official language of Telangana? Telugu, Urdu. Telangana is India's youngest state, formed in 2014 in Hyderabad. The capital is famous for the historic Charminar monument and delicious biryani. What is the official language of Tripura? Bengali, Kokborak, English. Bengali is the most spoken language in Tripura, and the Ujjainta Palace is a beautiful royal palace now converted into a state museum. What is the official language of Uttar Pradesh? Hindi, Urdu. Uttar Pradesh is India's most populated state and home to the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, built with love by Emperor Shah Jahan. What is the official language of Uttarakhand? Hindi. Uttarakhand is called Devbhumi, meaning land of gods, and has the ancient Kedarnath temple high up in the Himalayas. What is the official language of West Bengal? Bengali. Bengali is a beautiful language spoken by over 100 million people. Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote India's national anthem Jana Gana Mana, wrote in Bengali. Telugu, English, Assamese, Hindi. Let's review all the official languages we learned today.
Thank you, friends. See you in the next video. Ask mom and dad to subscribe to Lachu Creations.